everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Daisy and today I decided to film a video using the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. So I hope you guys enjoy watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, to moisturize my face, I'm gonna start off with the Equate Beauty Dry Skin Cream. It's just a moisturizer and I'm just gonna put that on my face to start off before I put on makeup. Rub it all over my face. I always get red right here. I don't know why. So I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished doing my eyebrows. Now I'm just putting some concealer on my eyelids. To set the eye, we're gonna use this one. This one is the Vanilla Cream. So we're gonna go in with this one right here. This is Caramel. It's just going back and forth softly. I'm not putting too much pressure on the brush. So next, I already did this side. So I'm just gonna go in with this one right here. And I'm gonna place that all over the eyelid. And using another blending brush, I'm gonna grab a little bit more right there, tap off the excess, and then just do this on the crease so it all blends together. And then I'm gonna go back in with the Caramel right here, and I'm just gonna use that to blend it good. I'm just gonna go in with the same one, the Vanilla Cream. We are gonna be putting this on our brow bone. So for lashes, I got these in the BoxyCharm from this month. So these are from Baddington Lashes, and they're just like this. They're super cute. I already took one off. It's all crooked. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these on and I'll be right back. Oh, I finally put on my lashes like 30 years later. But I went ahead and put some eyeliner on them because they were too thin, so I just put some eyeliner, just a line. We're gonna finish off the rest of the face. So now I'm gonna go in with the Milani, the Prime Correct Face Primer. And I use this for the red spots, but I kind of like to focus it right here and my nose because as you can see, it's really red. And I don't know why I get red there, but. So I'm just gonna put some on my finger and rub it on my face. For face primer, my skin type is really oily, so I'm gonna be using the Cover FX Bling Primer, and this is really good for oily skin. I get super oily on my forehead, so that's where I'm focusing on, and then my nose. So you can use this wherever you get oily the most, and just like spread it a little bit. Don't like rub it too hard so you don't take it off. Just like pat it and spread it. And then I also get super oily right here on my cheeks. So I put some there. And this feels really soft. Like, it feels really soft and it has some color to it. So for foundation, I just got this. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. So I got the shade 250. This is a Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And then using my finger, I'm gonna put that all over my face. And then we're just gonna blend it in with my beauty blender. It's damp. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with the shade Neutralizer and Maybelline the Age Rewind. So I'm gonna put that some under my eyes. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray my beauty blender with some Cover FX setting spray. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend it. Now what we're gonna do is set our face. For that, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution London, the powder in banana. I'm only gonna put this under my eyes because if I put it somewhere else, it makes me look orange. So we're gonna make sure there's no creases under the eyes. And we're gonna put this all under our eyelid. And then to set the rest of our face, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and it is this one right here. I'm gonna let it bake on my forehead because that's where I get oily the most. We're gonna let that set right there, and we're gonna do our lower lashes. And for that, I'm just gonna be using one brush. I'm gonna be using this one. This one, it's a Luxie 213T. We're gonna go in with this one right here. We're gonna mix the two. I'm gonna be using, this is the Tarte 4-in-1. It's a mini one. And I'm just gonna put that on my lower lashes. Okay, now we're gonna wipe away the powder, and I'm just gonna use a big brush. We're gonna dust away the one on our temples right here, but I'm still gonna leave the one on my forehead and the one under my eyes. For bronzer, I got a new one. My other one broke, so this is the Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. And I'm just gonna be using this is from Real Techniques. This is the multitask brush. So it doesn't look like we have a double chin. We're gonna try to cover that. And then we're gonna put some on our temples. Right here. I'm gonna tap it. And then try to connect it right here with your cheek bronzer. It smells so good. Okay, now we're gonna wipe off all the extra powder on our forehead and our nose. And for under my eyes, I'm gonna be using this other brush that is more like ovally. And I also got this on Morphe. It came with the set, so it doesn't have a number. And for under our eyes, we're gonna use the Dominique Cosmetics palette again, and we're gonna use the vanilla cream. So for blush, I'm gonna be using, this is from Tarte, it's called Party. This one right here, and I'm just gonna be using another one of those brushes that I use for under, but I really like using this for blush, and it actually works super good. So I'm just gonna dab it on the thing, grab a little bit because this is super pigmented, and we're gonna smile a little bit. Well, I like to smile a little bit and put it right here on my cheekbones. And then just blend it in. So I got this set of on the BoxyCharm. It came with 3 brushes, and there's a highlighter brush in here. This one right here, it's the Luxie 522. So I'm gonna be using this one right here, Macchiato, for the tear ducts. And then using this brush, I'm gonna go in with the Macchiato and I'm gonna put it on my the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus and spray that on my face. Lip liner, it's from Contour Cosmetics, and I'm gonna line my lips. This is the OFRA Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. It's in the shade Verona. I just got this on the BoxyCharm today. Bye everyone, thank you for watching.